Hi everyone, this is Kadam Sachin over here. In this video, I am going to explain you how to do personal branding. I'm in the sense like how to build your personal brand. So the source which I'm taking is some part from .com secrets and some from my personal experience. Okay, which I learned from my experience on how to build your personal brand. Okay, so I'm actually not going to into the overview of what is personal branding, how to build it, why to build it. So I don't want to waste your time in explaining all those things which you can you have a lot of videos on that. Okay, so I'm just going to the point. Okay, so the first one is to build your personal branding. You need to have a niche clarity. Okay, so what niche you are into? Are you into affiliate marketing? Are you into drop shipping? Are you into some any other business? Okay, first of all, you need to have a niche clarity. Okay, what business you are doing? Do you believe in that business? What you are doing? You need to have that complete clarity, because if you don't have that clarity, you can't create content around that. Okay, the main reason why people actually struggle to create content, because they don't believe in the product which they promote. They don't believe in what they are doing, so that's why they couldn't create content. So before doing any personal branding, doing any business, you need to have a niche clarity. Okay, this is very very important. The second important point is follow the giants in that niche. Okay, giants in the sense influencers, top marketers in that niche. Okay, if you are doing affiliate marketing, follow all the people who are doing affiliate marketing. If you are doing any other business, follow the top people in that niche, and actually you have to observe them every single day, because here you don't have to actually reinvent the wheel and actually try to do some other things. Okay, you just have to model them. You just have to model a successful people, and you just have to model them. You don't have to copy exactly what they're doing. You just have to model them, take ideas from them, and just try to replicate that model. Okay, it's super simple. Don't try to confuse this part. Okay, and the third thing is target audience. Okay, so many people like ask me, like it's my personal experience too. When I just got started into online business, I used to wonder where I can get my target audience. This is very very important. Okay, you just have to ask yourself a simple question: who were you before few months? Okay, when you just got started into online business, who were you? What mindset you have? Where you searched online? You just have to think about that. Okay, you don't have to go and some people will teach the demographics and everything. Before doing that, just understand this simple thing: who were you before few months? Who were you? What was your mindset? Why you started online business? Where you searched? You just have to go with that mindset, and you can easily find out your target audience. This is very very important. Okay, the first one is niche clarity. You need to have a niche clarity: what you are doing, what product you are promoting, what business you are doing. Okay, you need to have a complete clarity, and you have to believe in the product which you are promoting, believe in the business which you are doing, because if you don't believe, you can't you can't give your 100% in creating content and build your brand. Okay, this is very important. And the second important factor is follow top influencers, top people, and just try to model them. Okay, don't ever, never ever try to reinvent the wheel. Okay, it's not actually work. It won't work. You just have to model other people, other successful people, and just try to model their model. Okay, that's it. You don't have to copy, just try to observe all the people and model them. Okay, this is very very important. And the third one is target audience. I already said you, who were you before few months? Okay, this is super simple. Okay, super important. Okay, so like I want to say you a simple thing which I observed from my daily observation. Like actually what many people are thinking about personal branding, like they think that like sharing your personal photos, or sharing your income proofs, or sharing your some other like or you are on a car, bike, or anything, that won't build your personal brand. This is very very important. Personal brand is not about showing your photos, doing videos and everything. Okay, it is something different. You need to understand that, because if everybody is doing like showing their income proofs, showing their photos, lifestyle and everything, it is not important. People don't actually care. Okay, so like what is how to build your personal brand in a structured way? Okay, so I'm going to explain this video. Be careful in understanding this, and just give your 100% in understanding this. Okay, because like you can fill information in your mind, whatever I'm saying you now, you can fill that information, but if you just don't think how this works, how I can implement this won't work for you. Okay, even if you read 100 books, attend 20 webinars, 30 webinars, you won't understand the actual point. Okay, just try to think, stop and think. Okay, so for building your personal brand, you need to have an attractive character. Okay, this is clearly mentioned in .com Secrets book. If you want to know this in detail, I highly recommend everyone to read that book, which is very, very important. I got a lot of knowledge from that book, and I highly recommend you to read that book. Okay, so the first important factor while building your personal brand is your attractive character. Okay, because you need to have an attractive character. Okay, like if you have already attended my WhatsApp class, my webinars, every time I say you have to entertain your audience like a movie. Okay, it's super important, because if you just actually trying to provide value every single day, like giving valuable information, like sharing knowledge and everything, people don't care. Like people will observe for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days, after that they feel bored. Even like when you watch IPL, okay, IPL matches, if you 2 hours, 3 hours, every over is single run, dot ball and everything, you feel bored, because you want sixers, fours, you want super over, you want some other crazy things. Okay, the same thing audience expect from you. Yeah, audience actually expect from you the value, but they want entertainment also. Because understand one thing, why many people watch movies, they want entertainment. Because see, observe one thing in the movie, if if there's a character, hero heroine, the movie mainly focused on hero heroine and no jokes, no fights, nothing, only hero heroine like doing some other things, that movie will be flop. Okay, you need to have all the aspects in the movie. Sometimes the hero will show his heroism, sometimes he's funny, sometimes the comedian is funny, sometimes heroine the different emotion, everything. The movie is a mix of emotions. Okay, that's why everybody attached to movie, motivational movies, inspiring movies, lot of other movies. Why many people attract towards movies, why many people watch movies every single day? Just try to observe their understanding. Okay, why many people watch IPL matches? Understand, they want entertainment. People want entertainment. Okay, so that you need to build that attractive character. Many people think that if you want entertain, like I only thing is I want to post memes and everything. Memes is only a part of it. If you are just trying to like only create content around memes, it won't work out. Entertainment in the sense all human emotions, funny, sad, all emotions. Okay, try to understand that, just think about it. Okay, so the first element of attractive character is backstory. Okay, everyone have a backstory. Okay, who are you? Okay, who are you when you just got started into online business? Who are you? What you did? Why you started online business? What like what was your mindset when you just got started? What was your experience? You just have to share that backstory to your audience. This is very important. Okay, if you're not sharing your backstory with your audience, they won't connect emotionally with you. This is very, very important. Okay, you just have to share your story honestly, not like something you just made up the story and just sharing it with them. Okay, you just have to share your original story. Who were you when you started? How you started? What are your failures? What are your success? Everything you have to share with your audience. That is your backstory. Okay, even in like movie, you need the backstory of hero. 20 years, 30 years, uh, who was he before 20 years? In Bahubali also there's a backstory. Okay, so backstory is really very important. And look around the market, every influencer, every top marketer has a backstory. People connect with that backstories. Okay, so just share your original and honest backstory with people. Okay, and what's your journey, how you started, how was your journey for 1 year or 6 months when you just got started. You just have to share your experience honestly with people. Okay, if you don't have a journey, you just got started this month, few days back, few months back, you don't have a journey experience to share with people, then you document your journey. Okay, Gary Vee says an important thing. Okay, document, don't create. Just share with your audience what you are doing every single day. That's it. Okay, share what you are doing every single day. You are doing this thing, you are learning this thing, you are doing that thing. You just have to share that documentation with people every single day. That's it. Okay, when you see that uh, when you see the weight loss products and everything, they show their documentation. Initially he was so fat and everything, but after 6 months he's with six pack and everything. That is called documentation. Okay, you have to document your journey every single day. Okay, don't make up stories. Don't say like, yeah, I have done that, I have done that. Don't make up the stories, because if you make up stories, everyone is observing. Okay, in social media you can't fake story, people can easily find it out. Okay, and you lose your credibility if you do that. Okay, so just be careful in saying your backstory and understanding your backstory. Okay, just now think, what is your backstory, how you started, what's your journey. Just try to take pen and paper and just try to write it down right now. Okay, stop the video and just try to think about it. Okay, and the second element, okay, of attractive character is parables. Okay, parables means stories. Okay, people people are very much interested in stories. Okay, you have to relate your life and the product which you are promoting, life and the business which you are doing. You have to say stories. Stories are very very important part, because when you want people to understand what you are saying, the best way to say is stories. Because people are very much interested in stories, even in your school, in your college. Like your when your teacher or anyone is saying stories, you actually understand them very easily. Okay, when you watch movie, if the story is very good, you watch it till the end, the movie will be hit. Okay, so just try to understand the essence of stories. That's why storybooks, comics books will is a super hit. Okay, even in TV serials, stories work. Stories connect with people. Okay, so tell stories relating to your life and product which you are promoting. This is very very important, so that people can relate with you very very quickly. Okay, so just understand how you can say stories to people, how you can share your knowledge in the form of stories. Okay, mix up life and product which you're promoting, life and business which you are doing, then people can relate with you very very easily. Okay, the second element is parables. Okay, the third element is character flaws. Okay, like many people like they just want to hide their failures, they just want to hide their character, they want to show them, I am super successful person, I'm perfect, nobody can beat me. So they have that type of thing in their mind. Okay, but I say you, okay, show your failures. You, if you have any failures, show them. Just make them understand, if they do this they will fail. You just have to show your past failures, how you come up and how you got successful and everything. You have to share that with your audience. See guys, a simple, like I generally take example of movie, because you can understand it very quickly. Okay, in movie, okay, the hero, do you think hero won't face any problems, villain won't face any problems? Okay, everyone will face problem. Okay, even in IPL matches, every match will not go straight. They will get, players will get lot of problems. One over they give 20 runs, other over they give 40 runs. So problems are everywhere. Okay, you need to understand that. So you need to show your flaws, you need to show your past failures with people, so that people can understand that, okay, if I do this I will fail, even if I fail I can work on it and I can become successful. Okay, so you just have to show your past failures with people, which is super important aspect. Don't hide your failures. Just try to come out and express yourself as a person, and don't fake perfection. Okay, like a lot of people, even I hit the same mistake. I'm not saying I'm super perfect in everything. Okay, don't fake perfection. Don't always pretend that you're perfect in everything, you know everything. Okay, actually people like imperfect people who do mistakes. Okay, so never ever fake uh, perfection. Okay, don't try to do it. Okay, it will do more harm than good. Okay, if you try to be perfect, it will do more harm than good. People can understand very easily. Okay, we are in 2020, we are on social media. People can understand very quickly, they have their brains. Okay, don't try to pretend in 2020. Okay, because that perfection thing worked in 2007-10, but now it won't work out. You have to show your failures, you have to express yourself as a person honestly, then only the things will work out for you. Okay, the next one is polarity. Okay, entertain your audience. Okay, I already said this in the previous point. Okay, entertain your audience like a movie. Okay, don't be boring. Okay, nobody wants to do business with boring people. Nobody wants a friendship of a boring friend. Anything you can take example of anything. Okay, people don't like to be bored. They want to watch Netflix movies. They want to watch, they want to go outside, they want to go for a travel, they want to do some other things. Okay, so they want entertainment. That you have to understand. Okay, it might be from, even if you're sharing any knowledge, doing anything, that has to entertain your audience. Mix up all the human emotions and try to give it to people. Then people think you as a brand. Otherwise, if you are just sharing knowledge every single day, doing videos every single day, doing hard work every single day for people, it won't work out. Because the main thing is, people have to understand that you are entertaining them. Okay, don't be boring. Okay, try to mix up all the human emotions. That is very very important. Okay, if you follow me, you know what type of content I create. I just create a honest content. I just create what I am, what I'm doing everything every single day. If I do exercises, I'll just show my exercises, because I just want to be honest. You have to do the same. Okay, don't pretend. Okay, it's very very important. Okay, so the next thing of attractive character, identity. Okay, the next thing of attractive character is identity. So identities are of four types. First one is called leader. Second one is called adventurer. Third one is reporter. Fourth one is reluctant hero. Okay. So let's come to first point, leader. Okay. A leader is someone who already got massive success in his business. He might be a top influencer. He might be a top marketer. He already achieved everything, and he want to share his expertise to people. Okay, that person is called a leader. Okay, you have to understand, are you a leader? Have you achieved everything, or you just getting started, or you are a mediocre person? You just have to think where you are in these four identities. You have to select any one of them. The first one is called leader. A leader is someone who already achieved something, who already got massive success, who already have name and fame, and sharing that his experience with people, and just his getting business or any other thing. Okay, sharing his expertise because he already have experience, and he's just sharing his experience to people. That's it. Okay, that person is called a leader. Okay, second one is adventurer. Okay, a adventurer is someone, he might not be knowing everything. He have some knowledge, but he still have something he don't know. Okay, so he go around in the market, he go outside and just search for truth. He just want to understand how business model works. He just learn from other people and gather that information and share that information to their audience. Okay, that person is called adventurer. Okay, adventurer is someone who is not an influencer, but he have all knowledge, all things with him, but he still have some things which he don't know. So he just go out and search for truth, and just gather all the information, learn from all the people, and just try to share that with his audience in a simple way. This you have to understand. Okay, the third identity is a reporter. Okay, same like a news reporter. Okay, find information from all the sources. Okay, and just try to share that with people. Okay, adventurer and reporter is somewhat same. Okay, the only difference is reporter might not be having knowledge. Okay, but he do interviews, like do Facebook lives, Instagram lives with people, collaborate with people, so that they can build their brand. Okay, because in the initial stages nobody can build their brand very easily. The best way to build their brand is do friendship, do collaboration with the people who are already doing business, who are already doing well. So news reporter, okay, so just try to do interviews with them, collaborate with them, do business with them, so that you can become a reporter, so that you can share that information to your audience in a very, very simple way. Okay, you don't have to be expert in doing that. Okay, like many people, like in my personal experience, many people say that I don't have knowledge, I'm not expert in this business, how can I become successful, how can I create content? You don't have to create content. Okay, so just observe what other people are doing, collaborate with other people, make them friends, try to do like collaborative interviews, collaboration videos, collaboration lives, collaborative content, do everything so that you can also build brand with them. It's a simple thing. Okay, you don't have to understand. Okay, so if you want these things in detail, okay, just go to this .com secrets book, okay, which I want to share with you. Okay, so that you can understand these things in detail, but I'm just giving an overview of how this works. Okay, because even I had that .com secrets book like 1 year back. Like I actually not understood that part. When I just read after 5 months, 6 months, then I understood these points. So that I just want to give an overview so that at least you can go and research how it works. Okay, so the fourth one is called reluctant hero. Okay, I call it as an anti-hero. It's not mentioned in the book. Okay, but a reluctant hero need not be in the limelight all the time. Okay, because a hero is different, reluctant hero is different. This hero have all the knowledge, all the skills and everything, he already achieved everything, but he don't come outside and say I have done this, I have done that. You are like a crazy person, you won't do anything. He won't blame that. He will be backside and he will make people to work. Okay, reluctant hero. Okay, if you want to know more about this, you can refer .com secrets. Okay, it is also called an anti-hero. You can just go around and just check and gain knowledge. Okay, it's super important. Okay, so I just want to give an overview. If you want to build an attractive character, the four elements are backstory, parables in the sense stories. Okay, character flaws, you have to show your failures, you have to show your honesty. Polarity, you have to entertain your audience. Okay, identities, there are four identities: leader, adventurer, reporter, and a reluctant hero. Okay, I explained everything in detail. Okay, a leader is someone who already achieved everything. Okay, and he's sharing his expertise with people. Okay, super simple. Adventurer, he have some experience, but he is not having full knowledge. He's only having 50% knowledge. The other 50% he go learn, purchase courses, learn from others, gain knowledge, and then share that with the audience. Okay, reporter, same like adventurer, but in reporter you can collaborate with people so that you can build brand together, help each other. Okay, help two people, three people, collaborate and just try to help each other so that you can build your brand very, very easily. Okay, the fourth one is called reluctant hero. I already said you anti-hero. Okay, he need not to be in focused all the time, but he's in the background and he do all the work, share his knowledge with people. Okay, so this is one thing is important. Okay, provide intense immense value. Okay, the only thing that matters, yeah, if you have an attractive character, if you have everything, but the number one thing that dominates everything is value. Okay, provide intense immense value for free. Okay, the value which is like paid, people are charging lots of money, you have to provide that sort of information for free so that you can build your brand very easily, so that people can consume your content. Okay, it is also called jab jab right hook. Okay, provide value, provide value, provide value, then ask for money. No worries, you can ask them directly, because you are actually providing value these days. Okay, try to understand. Okay, learn and make it simple for people to understand. Okay, like even I understood this. Okay, if you want to provide value to people, create content to people, you don't have to scratch your head. You don't have to think that I don't have knowledge, I don't have skill. You don't have to do that everything. Okay, just learn from other people, learn from top influencer, and make it simple for people to understand. Okay, that because like many people I observed, many top influencers, top marketers, they make the things very difficult for people to understand. So that you go learn and make it simple and explain to people in a simple way, then you can also become an expert. Expert is not only someone who invents something, there is some invention. Expert is also someone who make that invention better. Okay, this is the other definition of expert. Okay, so that, see, when you learn and explain to people, when you learn and provide value to people, you will never run out of content, because you can learn and explain to people in a simple way. Okay, so just try to understand. Okay, always be in the limelight. If they don't know you, they don't buy from you. Okay, learn the art of modeling, not copying. Okay, always be in the attention mode. Okay, you have to produce content on a daily basis. You have to show your face to people every single day. You have to show your content to people every single day. If you're not doing that, people forget you very easily in this era of 2020, because now a lot of people are working every single day. A lot of people are building their brand every single day. The only thing that matters is how attentive you are, how many pieces of content you are producing every single day. You can create 10-20 pieces of content on all social media platforms. What Gary Vee says, why he says, because in today's span of time, the attention span of people is very very less. Okay, so that you have to target them every single time, every single day, so that they can register you in their mind. Okay, so always be in the limelight, focused, create content every single day, every single day, don't miss every single day. Okay, and lot of people, like in my personal experience, a lot of people ask me questions like, how many times I have to post on Instagram, how many times I have to post on Facebook? You can post 4 times, 5 times as well. Don't think of engagement in your initial stages. Okay, a lot of people say that do this, you'll get a lot of engagement, do that, you will get a lot of engagement. In the initial stages, you don't have to think of engagement. Even if people don't like your post, comment on your post, don't engage on your social media, they actually see you. Okay, do you know why you get a lot of story views, why you get less likes on your post? Because people are very interested in observing you. Okay, observing you, they observe you. Okay, don't try to think like I'm not getting engagement, I'm not having followers. People are observing you every single day. Try to understand that. Okay, this is the super secret, like which many top marketers says. L- Learn the art of modeling. Okay, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just try to see the influencer, top marketer who is doing well, who is already successful in their business. Just try to model them. Just try to observe what they are doing, how you can replicate their model. Okay, so okay guys, hope you got some value. It's just a quick video on personal branding. I hope you got a value from this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.